know how this simple little card makes one of my clients thousands of dollars a year? And they cost about, I don't know, about $100 to print? Buckle up, because we're starting right now. I'll show you everything. Hey, I'm Matthew. Welcome back to Car Count Hackers. If you're a shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and that way you'll know every time I upload new videos. So I asked you about this simple little business card. It's a two-stage business card, nothing fancy. Yes, it's printed in full color, but that's not the point. This particular business card makes one of my clients thousands of dollars a year. How does it work? Well, it's his customer referral program. He follows my Profits customer referral program. Now, several years ago, I sold this program to countless repair shop owners, and it's been upgraded and updated, to work in today's market. But here's what's most important about it. That $297 program is now being exposed in my brand new training course, How to Double Your Car Count in 89 Days Without Wasting Your Hard-Earned Dollars on that money-sucking advertising. Look, it's a free course, and there's links below. Go ahead and jump on that course. I'm going to show you everything. The bad news is the course has grown. It's, for lack of a better term, got sort of pregnant. We started out with 6 videos and went to 8 and then went to 12. I think we're at 12 or 14 videos now. So it's a jam-packed course, and I'm giving it to you totally free. Well, there's only one catch. The only catch is you've got to send me some feedback on the course. I've said it before, and 100% transparency, this will become a paid training course. But I'm offering this to you, every video in the course, complete, 100% free, in exchange for your comments. What did I do well in that course? What did you get out of that course? And anything that I missed or need to cover better. So right now, the only thing you need to do is, in the links below, go ahead to the link to double your car count, and that'll get you registered. There's no reason why you would say no unless, your business feeds your family, doesn't it? Makes sense that you'd want to spend 5 or 6 nights watching some videos, taking some notes, and improving your car count. Because after all, no car count, you got nothing but crickets. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day. Head over and watch these other videos. Don't forget to hit the subscriber button and ring the bell, so that way you'll be the first to be notified every time I upload a new video. Can't wait to see you on the training course. Take care and talk soon.